Hello, welcome to a new video. Today we are going to take a look at what are the ways of projecting stamps on technical drawings. We will show you two types of projection and explain the principle behind it. Projection on drawings is used in the way you see in this picture, whereas an example we have a part like this that we are looking at either from the front, from the left, or from the top, and that's the way projection on drawings works, that it's the way you would look at the part vertically. Now that the two methods of projection mentioned above, the first quadrant projection method, otherwise known as the European method, is as follows. You see the component that is in the center of projected in a manner as if we were to transfer our view that we see on a folded paper cube to the back. Thus what we see is always projected behind the component on the paper that is to the back. The method of projection in the third quadrant is exactly the opposite. The component is projected in the same perpendicular way, but not backwards, but forwards, as if the image were projected on a folded paper cube towards us and therefore forwards. You can also see this in the following model. The projection symbols is here. This symbols is used for the projection method in the first quadrant, and this symbol is used for the projection method in the third quadrant. Let's talk some more about how to correctly place the part on the drawing. It is important to rotate the base view to give as much information about the part as possible. When putting other views, care must be taken to show the outline of the part as visible and ideally to avoid dashes and therefore invisible edges. So it should look something like this. This is all about projection on technical drawings. See you in the next video. Thank you and bye.